Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside today's video we are looking at some of the latest happenings in the cryptocurrency space in India. Now I received an email today from EthexIndia saying we'd have to go ahead and withdraw all the Ethereum and the funds from your EthexIndia account and your BTCXINdia, which are run by the same company. And they both are halting their trading from 28th of February, and in case of BTCXINdia it's 4th of March. So I think they are going ahead and shutting down their exchange, and they're giving a fair warning to their users before itself. This particular message was coming out from quite some time now. I think it started from December itself. So they did give a 3 months notice to all their users to withdraw their funds, be it in crypto or in INR, so that they can go ahead and close their account. I think they will still go ahead and continue to have a buffer period for some time for people who might still have their funds in their exchange, and they're telling that they will be charging some maintenance fees in case if you leave your funds on the exchange. So if you're somebody who has your account on EthexIndia and BTCXIndia, go ahead and log in and check out if you have accidentally forgotten some funds in there, and if you have, go ahead and withdraw, and please make sure your funds are safe. And moving on, there has been a lot of new coins being added by the cryptocurrency exchanges. I think there's some kind of competition going on. We did see that Zeppay added Ethereum onto their exchange. Now there are 5 coins that's been offered on Zeppay. That's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, and Ethereum. And we did see before that Coinex also launched OMG and request coins on their exchange as well. And the request per coin actually had a huge trading volume on Coinex, which also seemed to be having an influence on the international prices as well. Well, I saw that from the Coinex Twitter feed, where they went ahead and tweeted that the price in the international space changed because Coinex influenced it a big time because of the volumes that was traded on Coinex. Now BitBNS, which is not a new exchange, again it's been it is a new exchange. So it started somewhere around December last year, and they were already offering some unique coins like Stellar, Neo, and NeoGas. Now they've also added some more unique coins, which is Redpulse and Deep Brain Chain. Now this is really interesting because these were coins that we were not they were not that popular, or we especially in India we have not heard this coins, or it's very less heard. And BitBNS is coming out and launching these coins. It's interesting to see why they have chosen these coins over other more popular coins. A lot of other popular coins that we Indians are still waiting that the Indian exchanges would offer, and it's really interesting to see what these coins are, and what are the offerings they have to give it to us. So Redpulse currently is trading at 15.41 rupees, and it's currently ranked at 109 on CoinMarketCap, and it's up by a 38.46%. And I think the main reason for this is because of the news that it's going to be added in BitBNS and Indian exchange. I think that news alone might have caused this is again my personal opinion, it might have caused the spike in the price up to 38%. The same Deep Brain Chain is another coin that's been added on BitBNS, which is currently trading at 5.41 rupees, and it's currently ranking at 158 on CoinMarketCap. So those were some of the important news in today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you're somebody new here, and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever we post new videos. That's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.